Mwasomu ya umwanchi umurigererio Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mu busingwe gena litkoria ondigenderete ko barito ererkeima na ninogenderete kwegokia aso kubwati mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV ni godire litkoria Ijumaa tariki 23 cy'umutenyo gatano narimo omwaka no w'echi 2023 nekerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere ryo ngumanye buna nara yaya kubwatira nabasaki baito na kwarigania centura ere yobwenye nyora buna sense moya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanyia amange namange ngwariganiretie ekerongo kwariganyo bekugusanga nintwe komerire triane Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wekeire asensemo yebimanyirerio. Mwancho murigali banongo kwariganito ya chaka centre ya bene kurwase county ya Kisii ya wase umugavana bwe county ye Paul Simbarati agenderete no muroberio bwogosira kisemi kwene kyabuna aborokiwa babere bakonyora kinga kinyororo cyo kwegendereria na masomabo arati inse yo muroberio yo menyekanite buna elimu na simba nigo na inda sentunda yende abwato kirechi basari go cyase aborokiwa anane bari bakorwase cyamate kitari kwenyara no muroberio agenderete asegeti ye kigosoro kya Gusii stadium ime umucho Kisii wasarati atebiruna no muroberi arachikogendereria kubwatrana no mokonyo yana wigaba waziri kurwase serikali yae ero kwene kyabuna abana babere bagokonyeka nigo no kagoteba buna abana banke nigo babere bagokonyeka anene abali ababeta bagokora matemwa amanene class ya gatano na gatatu mwaka weta na tana bange babo nigo bagoswa ase school secondary ose class ya form 1 kubwatkana no bokonyo bwo arachikogendereria kwene kyabuna kisemi cyabere kigosirwa anene ase serikali ye county ya Kisii
ina uwezo wa kutoa ufadhili huu ili kuwasaidia wanafunzi kutoka jamii zisizojiweza angalau kupata elimu itakayowawezesha kuimarisha maisha yao. Na washukuru wakilishi wote wa MCS kwa kupitisha mpango huu katika supplementary iliyopita. Aidha, mnamo Januari nilipogundua ya kwamba kuna idadi kubwa ya wanafunzi ambayo haingeweza kujiunga na kidato cha kwanza kwa sababu hakuna fedha ambao walikuwa nayo, ilinibidi kutafuta njia mbadala ya kuwasaidia. Ndiposa nikaanzisha kwa mpango wa kibinafsi wa kuwadhamini wanafunzi almaarufu inayojulikana elimu na simba. Mpango huu uliwezekana kwa ushirikiano mkubwa kutoka kwa naibu wangu Mheshimiwa Monda, mawaziri wangu na pia wale ambao wanaitwa chief officer. Leo ninafuraha kutangaza ya kwamba idadi kubwa ya wanafunzi hawa walijiunga na kidato cha kwanza.
Hokwana asomurobiro iboigo nigo umunyakiro gotenderete amangana yetsemi ase county assembly ya Kisii iboigore omwMCA wodi ya Mariba Victor Mbasa abeirega kurwesege togo cyase aborokiwa gutumeka kibese ichubuya ase kiskuru ase okubeko mukia ase amasomabo nigaterebna umukia norora abakonye ase okoba abarayabaya ase amatukari busyo.
Members of Kisii County na waita hivyo. Nataka nitoe changamoto sasa kwa watoto wetu. Hizi pesa ambazo tunatoa ni basari. Kindly make good use of this money in school. Tumieni pesa hii vizuri shuleni. Fees is a big problem. Watoto ambao wanakuja makwetu sisi kama MCS kutafuta fees ni wengi. Kwa hivyo ukipata hiyo pesa tafadhali itumie vizuri. Isiwe wewe ni yule anaandikwa kama noise maker times 3 times 4 shuleni. Si hiyo kitu iko? Times 4 times 5 times 6. Usiwe mmoja wao. Please work hard and make your dream come true as a student. Mimi singekuwa MCA kama singesoma. Aje ntamanya kulike mo mende mo kwa nani kubusia. Ya. Hata kama angekuwa gavana wetu. Kwa hivyo nawaomba musome sana kwa bidii.
Umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni gabeteka gwikirana ase gikaro kyobwa mugukwanire miruberie meya yechibesa chokurwania emechando au iyo agendrete kwenekiwa ase Chinsa au igikaro kyabetege kwariganiwa ase nsemo ya Paris ime ya France gukwana chinga kyecho Ruto nigo aborete Chinsa mochionsi kwerwa asokurwania emechando au anene iyo koreto kubwatikana nogonchorira kwerire.
Let us be deliberate about climate financing. Those are the two things I'm going to ask. Let's be deliberate about climate financing. Since we agreed in 2015 on emissions, that we reduce emissions by 45% by 2030 and net zero by 2050. Are we moving anywhere in that direction? No. What has happened? Since Paris 2015, developed countries, they have tried because they have resources. Europe has come down 20%. OECD countries have come down 12%. But what has happened with the rest of the world? Emissions have gone up 37%. Net, we've gone up, the whole globe, we've gone up 17%. And last year, we spent $950 billion on fossil fuels. We only spent $500 billion on renewable energy. It means the journey towards net zero is not going forward, it's going in reverse. So what do? Because we have to agree on what to do. Our position is that there is a contest between national interest and global good. And in a context
Togotigana nayo nigo mukonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua bakawikira naso muyega bwo kubekerwa chigutwa baroki wa be University ya Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology JKUAT asensemo ya Juja imeye county ya Kiambu okwa na chinga kyecho nigo Gachagua abeirega kubayenekeria abaroki wabo buna emiremo nero rase serikali anene kubwatikana no murobiro bwo bwagachibwe chinyomba yo serikali bwate aserigorire insekeimani nigo abayenekeire bali babere bakubekirwa kigutwa buna bayise kwerwa nigo barachikonyora emiremo iyo erabakonye aso kwegendereria samatukari busyo.
I don't want to sit here and lie to you that we have jobs for you. These jobs we are going to create together with you. This is a University of Science and Technology. Our members of the National Assembly very aggressively for 2 nights passed the finance bill to create a housing fund to construct 200,000 houses every year. Among those 200,000 houses, from this university, there will be architects, there will be quantity surveyors, there will be building engineers, there will be clerk of works, there will be electricians, there will be plumbers, and you will have an opportunity to earn a living. And that is the truth. Na kibarua iko. In the housing program, this university and the graduates from here are a very big beneficiary. Because you are the people to design this.
Asomo yogo nigo muwaziri w'isemi Ezekiel Machogu abeirega kwene kiabuna abayiserekali yabeirege gwanchira university yo irigo cyakubwatana n'ababwatani bande asowe kinya nabayigo niga yabeirega kwene kia buna serikali ya Kenya kwanza neroberetie gusira chi university ase ogwikirania amagendro nabayigo amasomo.
As a ministry, we recognize and allowed this university for the engagement with the various partners to undertake research geared towards solving the challenges facing our society, including food insecurity and climate change. The ministry is committed to providing research funds, Your Excellency, as you have directed, that we increase this figure to support our universities to execute this very important mandate, because indeed that is the #1 mandate of any university. I could like to reiterate that now, more than ever before, Your Excellency, Kenya needs research-intensive universities with the capacity to conduct multi-sectorial and multi-stakeholder research. This will ensure that our universities provide timely evidence for decision-making to stimulate and sustain growth across the various sectors.
Nakubwatikana n'obukurumi obwabeire bokoenekibwa ase kiumbe yokoena na mariogo gia KEMSA nigo bono omuteneneri bw'obukoreri bwa serikali Felix Koskei abeire gakoenekia buna serikali yabekire miroberio yokoenekia buna obukurumi obwabeire bokoera nabo igokorongeya obukoreri ase nseme yogo kyase abananchi okwana ase kyabisi kye kiumbe kyo ase nsemo ya Embakasi mimucho Nairobi kinga kyabetega koumerana n'abateneneri Kumbekio na boigo abakolimire babo nigo aganetie ababwatania bwoko mubwatsi omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase okurwania obukurumi boigo nigabetega kuboria abantu kweneke bunangwa kabaro roboti ekerbaro direngane ndeyonsi ebwatiranetie obukurumi kinga kyecho nigo omusi yontenenera bweke umbekio Andrew Mulwa nerabetega otabuna nigo beruete ase okweneke buna emirobero ya serikali asensemo yobochenu yabeire kegwikiraniwa Century Yubororo.
All of us know that this organization has suffered the unnecessary disrepute of grand corruption and tainted the overall image of the government, both past and present. You know that when people out there are talking about corruption, the name KEMSA comes in every other minute. This has been done like KEMSA, or it is not as bad as KEMSA, or this is worse than KEMSA. This has to stop.
We are rationalizing the staff here to ensure that we are left with the people who will help us drive KEMSA forward. Even if someone does not get a renewal, does not mean that we have issues with them. It's just that we only have so much in terms of our establishment.
Hokungusana na nigo kwa berego koenekiwa ase ababwatani bo Burundi abwechipigipigi anene korwa sensemo ya Meru na boigo Laikipia ikikiriro mugavana bwe county ya Laikipia Joshua Irungu amono mugavana bwe county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza gochamo na kugaya na omuchando yo nigo batere buna omuchando yo berego koenekiwa asegeka ase county echibere ngento nonya na bo kyaberege koremali obokoreri na boigo obo asegeka bono.
Na tumekubali sisi wote sasa tushikane tukiwa kitu kimoja. Watu wa Meru wamekubali kupeana shimo 3 na sisi watu wa Laikipia tumekubali kupeana shimo 3 na machairman wote wa sako zote za Laikipia na za Meru walikuwa hapa na in fact hiyo ndio kitu ile mwenendo mzuri na tutawapea pahali pazuri pahali ya kubebea.
Entire leadership ya Laikipia County utukubalia tukuje hapa tufanye biashara na wao. Na sisi hatuna shinda kufanya na wao biashara pande yetu ya Meru.
Tumekubaliana sisi watu wa county government of Meru na Laikipia County, we are one family. Ni kama brothers and sisters na tukasema for the purpose of unity, purpose ya blessings kutoka kwa Mungu, we must work together. Na tumekubaliana na gavana na timu yote ya kwamba sisi tupatiane sako 3 pande ile na wao watupatie sako 3 pande hii ndio tuwe balance.
Nechinga ki serikali chechi county chigendrete ko soma budget ya chigoro chibesa cha magendro nige county ya Nandi yabeirege kubatuke budget ye chiringi 1 billion kyanda echo kiratumeke ase amagendro boigo no babere bakubeke meroberio yogo sangirerie bango asomwa ko yoga wechibesa wechibibere na 2023 no mwaka wechibibere na 2024 kurengana no mwaziri wechibesa ase county ya Nandi Hilary nigateire buna ekewange kenene yechibesa nigo kiabeirege kubekwa sensemo yoboremi asensemo yobochenu chisemi obuagachi nabo igo ekewanda kiamabere asensemo ya kabiye nabo igenya gitari abana asensemo ya kapsabit asateirona nigo paucha kwene kiachibesa echo chiatumekire asenchira ebwenerete.
Key issues or key highlights of the budget. One is to operationalize the flagship projects that have been spearheaded by His Excellency the Governor Stephen Sang. We have in particular the milk creameries in Kabiyet. We have the mother and baby hospital in Kapsabet, among other flagship projects. Again, key in it is clearing in its entirety the pending bills of the county government that are owed to our suppliers, to our contractors, and various persons who have done business with the county.
Mwanchi umurigereria unongo ikomoerio wa Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira ere yobwenge korenda ya munaenda mangi na ndini chuko kumanya senchira yobwenge kero chirarage Chinsa ikomigo bana tobusa uskare yendra kubwatia mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV ekerongo kwenyore buna sensemo ya Facebook na bako endra gotonyaro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bako tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News eretariane Everlyne Osero to watera na nere Joshua Auta oyene kyabuna wasoyo baga wekirania semo yimanyariro nere Abigail Nyanchamo yone kebuna chibicha neryo gicha wekeire asenchira bene twaro bulire borobya nabo igo omugasoro mororo.